My name is Dumor, I'm 25 years old and I'm trying to quit from my job through trading already for 1 year. It's been a while since the last video, about 1 month in trading.
God damn.
At that period of time, I thought I knew something about trading. I learned literally a lot information about trading within this fucking 1 month. Not even close, buddy. Not even close. The craziest part, back then I recorded the video in the car. That's why I decided today we're gonna do the same. But that wasn't my car. It was my ex-girlfriend's car. I was broke as fuck. I didn't have opportunity to afford anything. Of course I didn't have a car, but I had debts. And I paid off all of them. That was craziest period of my life. I was unprofitable trader. I was losing money every single day. I don't know what the fuck am I doing. What the fuck am I doing with my fucking life? Fucking disappointment. It's not for me. It doesn't work for me. This fucking trading. It's so. It took me 2 hours to blow up my account. How it's even possible when I opened all my deals, and all my deals is
bullshit.
All my risk management is
Bullshit.
all that I know about trading is
Bullshit.
it's just interesting. Every my video will be just liquidation. I blow up my funded account. I don't want to watch in the mirror, like I don't want to see my reflection because what the fuck, dude? I'm so pissed off right now. It's just insane. Nothing worked. Like literally nothing. Liquidity sweep, price action, fair value gaps, levels. Nobody gives a fuck about this. Like literally nobody. Just no logic. Maybe I should just put the price in the back. Why I'm doing this? Why? What's the point? I'm trying to learn something. Fair value gaps, level. Like I just can't imagine how the motherfucker people just make their money on this bullshit. Like how, dude? I don't know. I don't know what I need to do. Like what's the point of all of this? I just want to quit from this bullshit. I don't know. I just trying to spend my life, trying to spend my money for nothing. I can't imagine. I can't even imagine that I'm making money on this bullshit. I can't even imagine. Once again, I blew my funded account. Not even one green day. How I can understand that it's trading is for me? How I can misunderstand it? I never get a paid out, and I blew my 2 funded accounts. Why it's always working in the evaluation accounts? Why it's always working in the evaluation accounts? Why it's never working in the funded account? What I'm doing wrong, bro? What I'm doing wrong every time? Not even one green day, not even one green day. After 5 green days in the fucking evaluation account. It's so painful, so stressful. I just wanna quit from this shit. I put my all dreams on this bullshit. Why am I doing this?
Let's go. I blew my account, guys.
I thought I will record some video like my first payout, but I blew everything within 1 day. At the same day, I had plus $300 at the same day. I blew everything. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me, Max. Alright, I blew my account. Fuck! Maybe I should just put my fucking link in the description and make money from this, but not from the trading. Maybe I should sell fucking courses. Maybe this is what I need to do. How I can quit from this fucking job? Fucking circle without end. Fucking circle without end. Nothing changed in my life, like nothing. Like literally, I'm just stuck. Happy birthday to me, August 22. It's birthday for myself and it's birthday for this YouTube channel. The best way to celebrate your birthday is backtest new fucking strategy. I spent 100 days before I see my first dollar. I blew up 30 accounts and 4 of them was funded accounts. And I lost all of them. That's insane. I was making the craziest YouTube videos about trading in the entire YouTube. The old people knows how looks like the old Dumor that losing money, losing his mind, crushing fucking walls.
Order filled.
Yes! Oh fuck, what the fuck I did, bitch? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Damn. Oh fucking hell. Fucking hell. I just break my goddamn door and I should be moving in 15 days. Fuck.
Order filled.
Yes! Yes! I feel bad. I feel fucking bad.
Feel this goddamn feeling. I don't like this feeling. I'm attached to my traits. I should fix this, but I have no idea how. Yes, yes, yes. Reload the fucking page you told me, and right now, and now he said me that it's not saved because it's. I'm done. Alright, I'm done. Worthless fucking day ever that I ever fucking seen. Today we will activate our Express account. I fucking paid money for this, you bitch! What? Wow. Wow. Wow! I didn't think, guys, that I will be trading today, to be honest. Like, my day already fucking ruined.
Order filled.
Failure is your destiny.
Order filled.
Bro, who the fuck even this guy? I'm still sometimes losing my mind, but brother, I am profitable trader. I afforded this car from trading. God damn. So today I would like to share a couple things about trading that I learned. Maybe it will be 7 things, maybe it will be 10 things, I don't know. The YouTube thumbnail will give you the answer. First thing that I learned, nobody gives a fuck about your strategy. Literally nobody. All these YouTube gurus, all of them will say, yo, you have to learn fair value gaps. No, it's SMT divergence. No, inverse fair value gap, this is the key. No, you have to use VWAP. No, it's a Bollinger Bands. Brother, I never fucking learned so many worthless words in my entire life. The truth is, you can trade wherever you want and be profitable. Vice versa, you can trade the best strategy in the world and still lose money and your mind. I have so many profitable friends and all of them trading differently. Even the people who is using the same strategy still trading differently. It doesn't make sense, but it is. Like Bruce Lee said, I don't give a shit about people who train in 10,000 different techniques. I do give a shit about one guy who train in one punch 10,000 times.
Some shit like that.
If you're learning, let's just say, fair value gaps for 1 year, I'm pretty sure you're gonna be profitable. For me, it was order flow. Second thing that I learned, market does not give a fuck about your A+ setup. Literally. You can have 10 years of experience, be the best trader in the world, and still you're gonna lose A+ setup once in a while. You have to expect that nobody is winning in 100% of the time. Not right now, not after 10 years, not after 20 years. The third thing that I learned is very connected to the second one, but still it's a little bit different. Even after you become a profitable trader, you have a discipline, everything is perfect, you still have probability that at one day you're gonna lose everything. I know one guy in the YouTube, I watched him for like a couple years, brother, and at one point he lost everything, literally $1 million or some shit like that, and he was profitable consistently, which is crazy. I'm even probably will pull up his video, I'm not sure. Same with one of my friends in the Discord. He was profitable for 2 fucking years. He literally lived from trading. He didn't have a job, everything was perfect. He was inspiration for everybody in our Discord. Guess what? After 2 years, something happened in his life. I'm not gonna disclose the details, but he lost everything in one single trading day. Can you just imagine the situation? You're trading for 2, 5, 10 years, and at some random day of the week, let's just say Wednesday, you decided, well, today will be just a regular day. You open in the charts, you hitting your stop loss, and you'll be like, yo, I'm disciplined, everything is fine. What can happen if I will take one more trade? And this is when everything can end.
I'm not telling you this to scare you, quite the opposite. I'm trying to warn you that this can happen. And the advice that I can give you, it's always better to have a side hustle. For me, for example, that's my job, my YouTube channel, my affiliate income. Going forward, I'm going to build other businesses as well, so I'm not 100% dependent on trading. Because today you might be able to control yourself, but tomorrow your girlfriend might leave you, something might happen in your family, you might wake up in the wrong side of the bed, or something else might throw you off. And one day, 1 hour, maybe even just 20 minutes can be enough to destroy years of hard work. So please think ahead and make money from the side hustles too. Keep looking for ways to earn money. The fourth thing that I learned is very connected to the second one and the third one. It doesn't really matter if you will lose everything. The one thing, the most important thing that you have to understand, even though if you lost everything, you still have knowledge. It's very important. It's very frustrating in these days to think about some positive stuff, but knowledge, it's priceless. You can lose everything. You can lose $1 million, but you're gonna bring this money back to your life because you know everything. You learned from all these years of experience. This is very important. This is actually what makes you continue to move forward. Like you can blow your all accounts, you can blow your all money, but you can't blow your experience. This is the point I'm making here. Don't let yourself down. The fifth thing that I learned, you don't have to chase be profitable guy. You have to chase only one simple thing. To survive the day. I'm not even joking around. 90-95% of the people consistently losing money on trading, which means one green day for you, it could be nothing. It could be $1,000, it could be $200, it could be $20, it could be $20,000. But at the same day, somebody lost everything. Somebody can even at this day because of the losing trade. You have to remember this. Don't be fucking greedy. Like, come on. You won. You made something that 90-95% of the people can't do. Of course, it's only one day, but it's not the point. The point is when you're losing money, it's very fucking hard to keep yourself together, hold on with your emotions, and just close the day. It's basic stuff, yes, but you know what was the game changer for me? Because you can understand everything, but you still gonna open the second trade and the third trade. My brother, my friend, Arzain, he was texting me for a half of a year about one little simple thing. Set up your fucking restrictions. Guess what I did? Nothing. I didn't set up any restrictions. I was going like crazy every single day. You know what happened next? After half of a year, I was so tired of losing my money that I decided, fuck that. Fuck that. I lost everything basically. I literally lost everything. You can watch my videos. I decided, well, I have nothing to lose. What can I do? Set up my restrictions. And that was the day when I started to be profitable. That's actually wild. It's not only because of the Arzane. I will disclose this topic of discussion in the next thing about trading that I learned. The 16 that I learned from trading, very connected to the fifth about restrictions on your account, but it's amount of money that you're okay to lose in a month. A lot of you guys asking me the same questions. Yo, Dumore, how I can be calm about my losing trades? How I can be calm when I'm losing my evaluation accounts? The same answer I have in every fucking single day. When you set up your restrictions, you have to calculate how much money do you want to spend per month on trading. For me, it was what? $400. I could blow one account per week. In a worst case scenario, with $200 restrictions in your account. In a worst case scenario, you're losing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You lost all 5 days in a week. You blew only one account, which is $100. Why you have to be worrying about this? Like, why? You already decided this month I'm gonna spend $400. And your mindset should not be about money. It's supposed to be about experience. I'm gaining experience. Nobody gives a fuck about losing trade if they understand like, yo, I will lose $250. Who cares? Like, I never seen even one person who actually listened to me. Never. Even one person who actually sent me the screenshot like, yo, do more. This is my monthly calendar. I was making and losing the same amount of money every single fucking day for the 1 month. Not even a single person. All of them blowing their accounts without restrictions. All of them not doing the simplest thing ever. One-to-one risk to reward, $200 risk management. If you're losing $200, your account just blocks your fucking day. Same with the take profit. Simple as that. The seventh thing that I learned from trading in this 1 year was the most important one. For me, that was a game changer, but 95% of the people don't get it. It's a mentor. I'm not going to recommend myself because I'm not mentor, I'm not selling shit. I'm not gonna recommend you my mentor because I'm not selling here anything. I don't give a shit if you will buy mentorship, if you're not buying mentorship. I'm not doing anything from this. I'm very transparent guy. So why 95% of the people losing their money with mentors? Simply because you're not checking your mentors, you piece of fucking shit. You wanna tell me you're trusting your mentor that never proved you even one payout? Never. He just literally showing you the trading view, some demo account, and you trusting this guy. Are you okay in the head? Seriously. I remind you, my name is Dumore, and I showed you the truth about Mamba effects. He never showed even one single payout. Isn't this crazy? The guy making millions of dollars. Same as, what his name? ICC. He claiming that he's making $20 million or some shit like that. TGR, other mentors. Come on, guys. You never see proofs from these people.
Wake up!
up! Wake up!
I changed so many strategies that is just wild. 8 months ago, one guy texted me a message in my direct messages in the Discord. He was like, yo bro, if you wanna actually make money from trading, I can teach you. Do you think I'm that gullible that I'm gonna trust these guys that texted me these messages? Of course no. 1 month after or 2 weeks after, I seen this guy consistently making money from trading and sending the payouts in our chat in the Discord. Okay, now of course I'm interested. So you wanna tell me you have proofs of profitability?
What?
At that period of time, I thought that trading is something that never gonna work, to be honest with you. I was making YouTube videos and I was like, what am I even trying to do with my life? I lost everything at that period of time. I only had one friend that I was actually trusting in 1,000,000,000%. Actually, I had a couple friends, but it doesn't matter. Arzane is just my closest friend. Then I texted to this random guy that texted me about the mentorship and I was like, well, I'm not spending anything. I'm not giving you my money. Let's try it. Guess what? Right. This was the time when I actually became a profitable trader. Thanks to this guy. Again, I'm not gonna disclose his name. If you're old in my channel, you already know his name. So why, in my opinion, a mentor is that important? Because when you're losing money, especially consistently because you're unprofitable, right? You feel so bad inside you, and there is nobody that can support you. It's absolutely fine. It's trading. But what if at the same time you see that your mentor at the same fucking day made $20,000. What are you gonna do? Of course, you will go and text him. Brother, I thought the market was bad today. Your favorite phrase, the price section was so fucking bad, man. This month it sucked. In July, technically that was one of the worst months that I ever had. And still I made the most amount of money in my life from trading. Still, technically I was losing money like idiot. At the same month, my mentor made around $80,000. Craziest shit I ever heard. So you're asking yourself and your mentor, brother, what I'm doing wrong? And he will explain you. Brother, why did you even open the trade over there? Well, the price section was telling me the confluences was there. No, it wasn't. Here, there, this is your mistakes. And you're gonna be like, oh, so it's not market problems. Oh, what a surprising information, huh? So it was my fault. Yes, it was. There is so many profitable traders and you are not. Guess what? That's only because of you. Not because of your strategy that fair value gaps doesn't work or whatever. It's because of your mental thing, because of your psychology. You're doing something wrong, or you're not that fucking good in your strategy as well. That's absolutely fine. I am profitable right now and I still understand that I'm not that good as my mentor. Absolutely not even fucking close. I'm doing mistakes and I'm started to think like, oh, why did I do that? Mentor explained me what was my mistake. Every day I'm learning something. And this is the thing number 8 that I learned from trading in this 1 year. I was surprised that so many people actually not journaling their trades. Not recording on the video, not doing any screenshots, just simply trading. I was like, what? I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I never screenshot my trades. Almost. I'm learning from my videos, because videos, in my opinion, it's the most valuable thing. Because trading is about emotions, right? It's about psychology. So I have to understand what thoughts was in my head at this period of time, how I felt. A lot of you people think that I remember what was in my head. No, you fucking don't. When I'm rewatching my videos, I'm always like, oh, what the hell? Already after 1 week, you already will forget everything. You don't remember shit. That's how the brain is working. Always journaling your trades, if you can, in videos. I learned this in the hard way. Thing number 9, backtest. I never backtested in my life. Actually, I did in my birthday. That was only one backtest session that I had. Maybe second one, okay. I know a lot of people were backtesting for fucking years. Like, I'm using order flow. For me, it doesn't really make sense to backtest. Maybe for you it is, but for me it doesn't. I know a lot of people who were backtesting and everything was fine, so for me it doesn't work. So my point that I'm making here, backtesting for somebody of you will gonna be a game changer, but it's never gonna be that fucking good as the live sessions. You're learning from your mistakes that you actually care about. Nobody gives a fuck about their results on the backtest session, about their demo accounts. Nobody gives a shit about this, because trading is about psychology. When you're losing your money, that's where the greed takes over. That's when the people losing their money, losing their mind, and losing their families. And I guess the last thing, it's number 10. Learn as much as you can. Take your time, don't rush things, and switch the strategy as much as you can. I know it sounds wild, but it is true. I learned this for myself. I switched so many strategies. The people were texting me every goddamn day in the comments. But because my self-development really in a good level, it's not about my English level, okay? Yes, I know I'm talking like 10 years old kid. I know it. I wish English would be my first language. But anyway, I changed so many strategies, and because I know myself, I was like, I don't really feel that strategy. That's not really my thing. Like, I feel bad about this. And then I met my mentor. I learned from him, and I was like, actually, that's something that actually makes sense for me, not for everybody else. for me. There was so many comments like, oh, this shit doesn't work. Oh, you're deep in red. You're doing bullshit. La 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 la. Fuck you. Fuck you. I will change 100 strategies until I will feel that this is the one. This is something that I'm gonna learn. I learned order flow a couple years ago in crypto space, but it wasn't at the same level that I'm learning right now. I'm learning every single day. The last thing, number 11, but it's very arguably a good thing because it's community. It's trading community. When you're losing money, my boy, it will be so frustrating to see how other people is actually making money. That's why it's like very arguably. But at the same time, if you're losing money and at this point somebody is making money, you're definitely doing something wrong, right? Unless you're a profitable trader, you already know your data and you just understand, well, based on my data, that was really bad day. That's absolutely fine. If everybody won, that's okay because I followed my plan, I followed my strategy. That's absolutely fine. Who cares? But if you didn't follow your plan and somebody made money on this day, you can't say, oh, price action was bad. Price action was good. If a lot of people, actually profitable traders that was verified, like in our Discord community, made money, price action was good. Just you did something wrong, that's fine. And about the data, it's basically, I already said about journaling your trades, but you have to collect data almost every time, like for the half of a year, for 1 year, because that's the way how you're gonna be calm. I have data for 8 months. I'm a lot more profitable with short trades rather than longs. So most of the time I'm looking for shorts. Most of the time my long trades in long position are suck. And I know this based on my data, based on everything. Most of the time for me, trades played out in 40 points take profit, 40 points stop loss, no break even, based on my data. It's very important. Journal your fucking trades. So yeah, this is what I learned so far. And this 2026, the year, I made already $9,200 from trading. Overall, I made around $10,000 or $11,000. But you should not chase any dreams or anybody goals. The only one goal that you have to chase is literally following your plan. It's the most important part. I made 10 grand. One of the people from YouTube texted me about mentor. Yo, I see that you have a mentor. How I can trust him? I was like, I don't give a shit. Don't trust him. I made money with him. What a stupid question you're asking me. Like, I don't give a shit if you will trust him or no. It's not advertisement. Again, it's not advertisement. I don't give a shit. He texted to the guy, and after half of a year, he made $120,000. Simple as that. I didn't make this money after 8 months. So some people will be more successful than you. That's absolutely fine. Some people gonna make it a lot easier than you. That's fine. If you're following your plan, everything gonna be good. You have your own way, they have their own. Don't forget about this. I hope this video will be helpful for anybody. I wish my level of English will increase because
I really feel stupid as fuck right now.
I speak so dumb that it's just insane.
In the middle of nowhere, I just decided to frustrate about my level of English. Fuck that.
Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next episodes. Love you all.